Bye. A new eyeshadow palette for you. Where did it go? If you are hearing some noise in the background, please excuse me. Some people are there outside my door doing something, not sure what. So I have the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in the shade 04, and this just retails for 249 something, and just look at the colors. Packaging is really nice and sturdy. It does not have any mirror or something, but and just for 249. Okay, I hope it works out. I have set my eyes and everything, and I'm gonna start doing the look. So first I'm gonna take this little peach shade which can be used for transition, so I'm gonna take this shade on the big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna, okay, it's little powdery, it has a lot of kickback in the pan. I'm seeing a little bit of color. I don't want any fallout on me because I have done my base already. I'm going to take this shade, this orange shade. Pigmentation is good, I have to say, in this price range. Nowadays I'm seeing like good eyeshadows coming up in this price range, and I'm really happy to see that, and it's really blendable. Now I think I'm gonna take this brown maroon kind of shade, taking this thin brush. Now I'm gonna take this smaller fluffy brush, and I'm gonna blend this a little bit. Now I'm gonna take this metallic shade from here. Not able to pick that much with the brush. In the end, I'm gonna take this brown shade, dark brown shade, and I'm gonna go in my outer corner. But before that, maybe I'll do a little bit of this shade. I think this looks good too, but I'm gonna go with a little bit of this dark brown shade. Now I'm gonna take a clean brush and blend everything. So pretty. I'm just loving the colors in this, and they're so pigmented. I think I'll just go with this color in my lower lash line, and then I'll see if I want to mix another thing. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it here, and I'm gonna do my liner, lashes and everything, and I'll come back. I like the palette overall. As I said before, it has really nice colors, and these all colors are really pigmented. I love the fact even this color is really good and it is pigmented. All the matte shade are pigmented. The metallic is also pigmented. Even metallics can show off using the brush, but with fingers they are just awesome. Even without wetting the brush or the product, pigmentation was spot on, and I loved it. If you want to wet your brush, go for it. I had a little bit of fallout here, and I removed it. It was easy to remove, I think, but it has a little bit, very little fallout. I would not say it has a lot, but very little fallout it has, and it has a little bit of kickback in the pan. They are little matte shades, are little powdery, but that's okay. This is just for 250 rupees, and the pigmentation is really good. Just take care of your base before going for look. So I think that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful for you, and I'm loving this eye look, and I'm loving the color theme of this particular palette, and I'm loving the quality and everything. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell icon. The light is fluctuating, so I think this is time to say bye bye.